Hello and welcome to another video. This is going to be a plan with me, planning out the second week of October. So I was just going to open up and show you kind of how October is going so far. Well, in fact the whole journal because it's new. I've gone through and I've finally today on the 7th of October filled in all those bits that I needed to fill in, where I've drawn up the spreads but haven't filled anything out in. There we go, this is my calendar, and I finally filled out my calendar. Looks a lot busier than what I did the other day. My gratitude is all filled out and up to date. And my habits. My social media tracker is all up to date. And this is my cleaning spread, and I'm really liking the way this is working out, and the fact it is keeping in mind as to when I need to do things and make sure they're happening. And then this is my Beetlejuice spread, so the first week of October. Love the way this has come out. I'm so happy with this doodle and the drawing, and the colours and the stickers and everything I'm able to use. And got these incredibly cute Halloween stickers from Once More With Love, and there is a little Beetlejuice one that I know I need to put in on this week somewhere, but I haven't quite worked out where to put him because he's just ridiculously cute. So I've got the last little bit of Sunday to fill out, and then here's my journaling. Bit like the previous week, I've kind of done it as a whole week in one go. Just the rundown really. This is, to be honest, this is more from Thursday onwards. Just a rundown. I put some washi down the sides just to give it a bit of decoration. I've got a little bit of Sunday to fill in and that'll be it. And then we're on to my new weekly, and this week I've gone for the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Another Halloween classic. So I'm going to show you my supplies, and then we'll go up to the sped up version. So supplies I'm using this week are my trusty Staedtlers 1.0 and 0.1, my mechanical pencil and my rubber, and then I've got 3 Tombows this week. It's a very kind of black and white design, so I've gone for, with a pop of red, so I've gone for red, which is 845, black M15, and grey M75, and I'm basing it off of this picture, which is all hacked up because my daughter was drawing on the back of it. But this is where I've got my inspiration from. So it'll be black, red, white, and then on the second page I've drawn the outline of a chainsaw. So this will be a chainsaw in that final column. And that's it. So here we are, here's my final spread, all finished and complete. Really like the way it turned out, like the colours and the silhouette of Leatherface there, the font, everything. Really like it. The chainsaw, I'm quite happy with that one as well. And then on this final page here I stuck washi down, and this is just where I'll do my journaling. So there we go, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!